best course about how to make sales.
Totally excited and it works.
You are the 5 people you surround yourself with, and I've personally found that surrounding myself with other people that are in the business I want to go into has helped me exponentially, and that's why I'm going to be discussing the best affiliate marketing forums in this video, because forums have helped me out massively in my success of affiliate marketing to the point where I make now millions of dollars per year. So take this seriously, check out some of these forums. I'm going to explain a little bit about each of these 5 forums here and how they can benefit you and who they specifically are going to cater to within the affiliate marketing community. So Wicketfire is the oldest forum on this list. It's been around for God knows how long, before I was even in affiliate marketing. And this caters to, I don't really know who. I think it caters more towards people who do SEO, which is like blogging and whatnot, because it's been around so long that it's really lost a lot of its flavor, but you can still go into Wicketfire and see just thousands and thousands and thousands of posts from people who have been marketing for many years online. It's still active. There's a lot of information out there. And you might want to check it out just to see what sort of information you can glean from other people. Now, the next forum is Warrior Forum. This is a very popular forum, very active to today, but it really caters more towards people who are just like brand spanking new to affiliate marketing. I mean, if you're like, what is a link? Or like, where do I find an affiliate link? Or like, what is a web page? You know, you might do well on Warrior Forum. But one thing to keep in mind is that on Warrior Forum, they have tons of different products. Everybody seems to be selling their $5 guide to making buttloads of money through some tactic. And one thing to kind of beware about is that if people are selling their information for $5 and they're spending a lot of time marketing themselves on a forum which is not scalable, it probably means they're broke. If people spend so much time on graphics to reach a very small audience to make $5 from 100 people, that's not a lot of money. You have to look at yourself when you're on any of these forums. You have to watch out for who's selling what products, because you have to ask yourself, does this person have what I want to have? And in choosing a teacher, you have to ask yourself that. Does this person have what I want to have? Really understand who you're going to learn from. It's not worth your time to spend money on a $5 guide typically, because oftentimes you're just going to get misinformation. I found that when I was beginning my internet marketing journey, I bought the cheapest, I'd either find free information or I bought the cheapest information possible from marketers whose, whether they were successful or not, it was kind of I wasn't sure. So the point is, just because it sounds good and looks good, if the person is not very successful, don't learn from them, because that won't help you. So there's a lot of that on Warrior Forum, so just watch out for all the people selling stuff on Warrior Forum. Now, this third forum is based off of a book that I highly recommend everybody buy. It's called The Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco. This book has helped me grow as an entrepreneur so much. If you've seen other videos of mine, you hear me talk about Tim Ferriss's book, The 4-Hour Workweek, and how that influenced me to go down this path of starting an internet business. Well, the second book that would be a close runner-up behind that helped me really define my business and get on a big growth curve has been The Millionaire Fast Lane, and that's what this next forum is a derivative of. Now, the Fast Lane forum is not specifically on affiliate marketing. It's really just on making money working for yourself in general. But that being said, this is perhaps the best overall forum I found on the internet, because it's created by MJ DeMarco, and there's so much cool interaction in there. It's really cool to check in on all the different ways people are making money, whether it's in real estate or sales or stock trading or affiliate marketing or e-commerce. There's people making money a million different ways. on the Fastlane forum and seeing the success stories, seeing the trial and error, seeing the real stories from real people on this forum is just so cool. And there's a lot of it, and it's a great forum. I highly suggest you check it out. Again, it's not very focused on affiliate marketing, but it is focused on success, working for yourself. And I found that getting into the mindset, that's probably the biggest hurdle for most people that are trying to make it online. Now, if you've been trying a number of businesses, trying to become successful, but you haven't been successful in any one of them, it's not likely that you're unlucky. It's likely that you just don't have the mindset or the wherewithal or the commitment or the dedication for whatever reason. Being in a place like this will help you get into the right state of mind. So I put a massive star next to this forum. Great place to be. So stack that money. Plop, plop, plop. Get that money, stack it. Stack That Money is a pretty good forum for aggressive marketers. Stack That Money is purely focused on affiliate marketing, and within affiliate marketing, it's almost purely focused on ad buying. Now, I joined this forum in 2011. On my profile, it shows I joined in November in 2011, and this forum really helped me get to my first big successes online. I was a regular on this forum, just checking posts every single day. This forum really helped me through and become very successful. Now, there's a lot of highly successful marketers that post on this forum, many guys making millions of dollars a year from affiliate marketing. If you join this forum, you'll see all the tactics. I found that the forum doesn't have as much good information anymore on the cutting edge stuff that's happening now, or the same sense of camaraderie that it used to have. But, maybe that's, just me being an old geezer and saying, oh, things change. There's a lot more people selling stuff on the forum now. One thing to note is that on the Stack That Money forum, I think it kind of changed once they started selling their own training course on the forum. Now, forums are, in my mind, supposed to be a place to just kind of discuss amongst people, not to kind of push people in a certain direction to take a particular training. It's just supposed to facilitate discussion. And what I didn't like is that, I went through the training course, when they first released their own training course, and honestly, I didn't really think it was a good training course. I mean, less than mediocre. I wasn't impressed with it. But that being said, that's when I think it started going downhill a little bit. But there's still a lot of good posts in there. There's a lot of gold. One thing about the Stack That Money forum is it is $99 a month. Okay, so keep that in mind when you're joining this forum. This is a paid forum, but that being said, you get higher level people when you have a price tag to things. Mad Society. This forum, Mad Society, is a really cool forum. It's started by a really awesome lone wolf affiliate marketer, Malin DeRoss, who also lives out here in Los Angeles. He lives in Hollywood, to be exact. But he's a big CPA marketer. He advertises, he's a huge online marketer or affiliate marketer, and he spends a lot of money on ads. So I've actually found that Mad Society is one of, I don't know if it's still available. This was just sort of like the brainchild of this guy. You get access to really high-level people, and for everything that Stack That Money once was, I joined Mad Society last year. I think it's still around. This is an awesome forum, and I believe Mad Society is also $99 a month, or it has some price tag to it, but the level of people and the level of knowledge that you get access to in this forum is really, really, really top notch. And I really like the kind of camaraderie and the willingness of people to help each other out in this forum. So if you're looking to get to the next level, I would check this out. But again, this is not necessarily for newbies. It will, if you are new to affiliate marketing and you join this forum, it is going to be like breathing through a fire hose. You may not understand a lot of the stuff people are talking about, but that being said, you can Google these terms and all that stuff. So those are the 5 forums I would look into. They're really great resources to kind of bring together different people and give yourself a sounding board of other people, other affiliate marketers to bounce ideas off of, to post case studies, to post diary campaigns, etc. What I highly suggest you do when you join one of these forums is do a follow along, okay? That's follow along means monitor yourself, keep a diary, keep a daily diary within the forum, a thread, if you will, and post about what you're doing in your affiliate marketing business. That's what I did to get good at this industry. I posted every single day exactly what I did to my ad campaign, and I posted my stats, and I posted pictures of my ads. I posted links to my landing pages so that people could see, the public on the forum could see exactly what I was doing each day in my affiliate marketing. And what was really cool is people would comment on it, and people that were smarter than me in affiliate marketing would look at my marketing campaigns and say, hey, I would change this, or hey, this is the reason why this is going wrong. The more you share, the more you will get back. And what I found was being completely transparent with what I was doing in affiliate marketing, posting my images, my landing pages, posting the products I was promoting, posting how much money I was losing or how much money I was making. Most of the time it was how much money I was losing, that people are naturally willing to help, but you need to share the actual data, the actual images, the actual ads and everything with people. And that is my big hack to becoming successful in this field. Share everything, okay? Don't just say, hey, my ads aren't working, what am I doing wrong? Share everything that you're doing and post images. That's my special hack to becoming successful on these forums. Now, thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments below if you are going to end up joining any one of these forums. Just write in the comments which forum you'll be joining. Wicked Fire, Warrior Forum, Fastlane Forum, which are all free, or if you'll be joining one of the paid forums, such as Stack That Money or Mad Society. Let me know. I'd love to hear which forum you guys are most interested in or most appealed by. And also, if you want to see more videos on affiliate marketing, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification icon, and you'll get a free 10-video course on affiliate marketing if you want to go deeper in this subject. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.